Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin and USD INR and top 10 stocks according to their weightages. So begin with the gold. Yes. So it's been in the last week we discussed this, like here if it is consolidating and not crossing this trend line, we will be seeing this upside towards the 1881, but it went downside. So now the process or this pattern had changed, so I'm just measuring it to the top to bottom. Now it will be like exactly there, resistance little bit, but there was a little space was left. Now it is for the downside. So here in case of gold, one can look for the sell setup. It may go towards the 1700 and 1660 is a possibility in case of gold. So hopefully it will going to go for downside, maybe at the level of 1749, or if it crosses the level of 1748 or 1750, it will be going towards the 1700. So look for the sell setup in case of gold until and unless it stays above and reverses back. Okay, until and unless it crosses the level of 1835, don't look for the buy, look for the sell. Okay. And now for the silver. Silver, as earlier said, like it may consolidate and comes back to the level of this. Exactly, it done the level of 24 USD. So now it will be interesting how it behaves near this area for 24 and 23. If it comes little bit down and reverses back, it will go upside. But as of now, it is looking like a complex correction, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has come to this level. Now it interesting how it behaves here. It may come towards the 73 and 74 7 sorry 23 and 24, and it may reverse back to the level of 25 USD. So presently look for the sell. So once it comes back and goes towards the level of 25 or above this, one can look for the buy setup in case of silver. So presently stay in a sell for 23.80 or 23.60. Okay. USD, this is crude oil. It is going as we predicted earlier, like A, B, C, D, E. It may come towards the level of 67 or something, but it may go upside once it finishes the correction. So here it may comes towards the level of this, that is for 65 USD. So it may come towards 65 and 64, then it may reverse back to the level of 73 once again. So look for the sell now. Then you may go little bit upper side for the buy. So presently it is in the sell, not to buy. USD INR, yeah, it is going in a sideways. The structure will definitely going to go reverse once again. So it may go towards the level of 75 or 75.14. So in case of uh, USD INR, look for the buy, not for the sell. So it may go inside the structure and go towards the 75 USD. Okay. So Bitcoin, what it says or how it behaving, nice, pretty good. So earlier we said like here it may consolidate and go upside. So we need to look before this, means 10th August. We have discussed this, like before 10th August, how it behaves, and if it is able to cross the level of this. I mean, this we earlier predicted, like time wise this 10th August. Before that, if it is able to cross the 3600 and comfortably, and it will be going to go for upside. So that's what had exactly happened. You can see the last week videos. So here it went up and crossed in lesser time, that too in maybe less than 50% of this correction or the time what we earlier added. This is the time, right? So in that, this is the half time if I'm just visually taking. So before that, only within half time it went upside. So now it may go towards upside. So just I'm changing the time frame to daily. So what it can go up to. So I'm just adding the top line so that it may face some resistance there, and hopefully it has crossed that level. So now it will be going towards the 61% and to the level of 80%. So just adding the Fibonacci so that it will give some idea where it can go. Okay. So this is the top and this is the bottom. So it is presently at the 50%. So I'm seeing it, the Bitcoin towards 51,000 and 57,000 in case of Bitcoin USD. Stay in a buy, not to sell. Okay, until and unless it crosses the trend line of this. This is the one more trend line I'm adding. So channel. So hopefully it will go inside the channel or outside the channel and will go towards the 51,000, 51,000 and 57,000. So look for the buy, not for the sell in case of Bitcoin USD. Now Nifty, it's a daily chart. Changing to hourly. As earlier said, look for 16,400 and 200. That was the earlier prediction or earlier week. So that's what had happened. So it will be going to go towards a 16,500 and 16,000 change. So we'll go towards the 16,600. It may come little bit downside, hopefully towards the level of 16,000 or the top of this earlier method. So just I'm this I will add a one top. So that may act as a support now. Earlier this was a resistance. Now it may act as a support. Okay, it may come little bit downside and then go upside. So hopefully it may come little bit down. That's fine. Again, it will go towards 16,500 and 16,600. So this will be the one trend line. And another one is from this bottom I am adding. This is the one. So hopefully it will go towards the 16,500 and 16,500 and change. So when this structure was making, we said it will go one up at least to make up this structure as A, B and C. So that is what exactly happening in case of Nifty. So stay in a buy, not to sell. Bank Nifty, yeah, it will be going to go towards this level, that is for 38,000 once again. So here we predicted it may go a little bit slower. If it is crossing and going down also, look for the buy towards the level of 38,000. That's what exactly happened here. So it went upside and crossing this. Now above this, one can look for the buy setup for 38,000 and 38,500, not to sell in case of Bank Nifty. So it may consolidate here, let's say one more time and then go. That is a possibility. But overall structure is looking for buy, a simple A, B, C kind of a structure to this. Okay, A, B and C. So look for the buy, not for the sell in case of Bank Nifty 2. HDFC Bank, oh, beautiful. So here we said earlier, like it is going towards the downside. So it may go and reverses completes the structure of ABC. That exactly happened. We asked to stay 2640. That has done, I hope. Now it is look for the buy, not for the sell again. So it may consolidate a little bit and go upside for 80 to 100%. Visually, it is for 2800 and 2900. HDFC Bank. Earlier said like here ABC, if it is coming towards the level of 1379 and 1350 or else one buy. So I'm just removing the all structure. Now the possibility has little changed. Now from the downside, I'm adding one more trend line to this. Now it may go towards the level of 1560 or 1550 like this and one more down, or a consolidation may happen, or if it crosses this trend line we may go towards the 100% and 80%. So look for buy in case of HDFC Bank, not to sell. Hindustan Unilever, earlier said like here exactly it came down, and if it is coming down also it will be going to go towards the level of 2550. So look for the buy at least for 2400 and 2460. So look for buy, not for sell. ICICI Bank, it is going upside, so stay in a buy until and unless it cross the level of this trend line in a lesser time. So hopefully it will go one more up before it can go any further down. So look for the buy, not for the sell. Infosys, it is for the buy. Here we said 1 to 3. If it finishes, it may go towards the 1580 or 1540. If it is not crossing 1580 level, if it is maintaining, then stay for 1720 and 1700 in case of Infosys. ITC, we asked you to buy, I remember clearly. So here it is reversing. So one can stay in a buy. Again, it may consolidate and go upside. So look for buy, not for sell. Kotak. I said here, if it is crossing the level of this and consolidating, clearly mentioned, if it crosses and consolidate, we need to sell, but that not happened. Here you can see clearly there was a small consolidation and went inside and broke the structure. Now you can look for the buy again for 1825 and further towards 1950. So look for the buy, not for the sell. L&T earlier said like the structure is making like a B C D E, A B C D E. Now it went upside and consolidating. It may come little bit down, so use that opportunity for the buy and go for 1700 and 1720. So look for buy, not for sell. Reliance, yeah, earlier we said if it is consolidating, it may come towards and go upside, but the structure is little bit again going like a sideways, so hopefully it will take some time here. If it is like a sideways going and like a expanding diagonal or ending diagonal like structure, it will come towards the level of 2000 and go upside again. So that is a possibility in case of Reliance. So until and unless it crosses the level of 1680, don't look for the sell, look for the buy. So here it may go inside the structure and or make some consolidation here like a expanding ending diagonal or a diagonal structure, then go towards 2280 or 2400. So now it may consolidate in between the area of 2130 to 1970, then it may go towards 2230 or 2240. TCS, so earlier said if it is consolidating here, it may go the way it Reliance is behaving presently. So it may happen like here, it may make a structure and go inside the structure. So now 3440 or 3410 can be possible in case of TCS. So look for buy here, not to sell as of now. Okay, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, earlier we said here it is consolidating or going upside, may come towards this and go upside again. So I'm just correcting a little bit. So it may go like if it is coming towards this and go upside. So here I won't suggest you to buy here, but some consolidation expected. If it comes or near to this area of 5900 or even to the 5650, that can be accumulation area, then we can buy for 7000 change. So look for the small sell here or a consolidation. After that, one can look for the buy in case of Bajaj Finance. This video is for the educational purpose. Please do take your financial expert advice before taking any trading or financial decisions. If you find useful this video, share among your friends and family members, and keep referring this video throughout your next week of trading or investing. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care, guys.